In this video, I'll be covering two essential things that we should be doing in each of our class teams. And this all relates to supporting students so that they know what work is being covered in class, whether they are there or not. So the first thing I'm going to be demonstrating is how, when we have a Teams class notebook, and I'll just go into this one here, and I will expand the navigation, go into the content library. These are my lessons for week 1, and so today's lesson was this one here, number 2. What we need to do is right click and we copy the link to this page. And we're doing this from within Teams. We're not doing this in the OneNote app, we're doing it within Teams. Then we go into the general channel and we will create a new conversation. Don't type straight away, instead click the formatting pencil and we'll say here, Friday's lesson. And I'll add the date. Just a brief message, like so. And what I'll then do is I'll just hit the space bar to get off that sentence and I'll go Control V. And what you'll see is that you get the purple link, and most importantly, and this is what the students will love, they get this OneNote tile underneath it. And so for any students that are not at school today, they can catch up on what was missed. You don't need to send them an email because it's right here in the team space. And the reason why this is better, when I hit the paper plane to send that message to the class, students can come in here and they simply click on the OneNote link and it takes them straight into the OneNote page. And not only that, it gives them a full screen view of it here. So that's the first of two things that we should be doing in our team spaces. I'll just close that. And I'll now go into another team area to show you something else. I'll go back here and I'll go into this one. This here is an announcement, and it's a great way for you to break up your content and your teaching and your themes from week to week. And they are very easy to create. So if you want to make an announcement instead of just a formatted message like this, you go New Conversation. Again, click the formatting pencil, and at the top here where it says New Conversation, just change that to an announcement. And then you'll have all these different options for different headlines, subheadings, typing in text, and you can drop in pictures. Lots of options here. And when you're all done, again, you hit the pencil icon. So these announcements are a good way for you to break up the content and a great way to engage students in keeping up to date with what's happening in your subject area with them.